Go back to duties. Doctors and justice staff cannot stay on strikes for long times. This were the words of the Chief Justice of Supreme Court yesterday when the case was in proceeding. And I just want to ask, मजाक कर रहे हो ना सर? सच तो नहीं हो सकता. This must be a joke, you know. This must be a joke. Prank हो रहा होगा कहीं पे. There must be a camera. Please point it out because what you said yesterday is just an absolute joke and nothing else, you know. Today, what I want to talk is going to be more of an educational video, and I'll try to explain it to you in as simple words as possible. जब हम थर्ड ईयर में आते हैं, there's a subject known as PSM, you know, and the first line that is taught in PSM to all of us, community medicine, some of you might know, is health for all. Health for all है क्या? Let me explain to you. I'll define it to you. Health for all, my friend, is a definition of it is it's not just an absence of a disease, you know, it's a state of complete mental, physical and social well-being. Okay, remind you, mental, physical and social well-being. कहाँ है social well-being? कहाँ है social well-being, sir? कहाँ है? A person whom we have worked with was brutally raped and murdered in our own college, in our own home. कहाँ है social well-being, sir? आपके तो डॉक्टर्स ही हेल्दी नहीं हैं. आपके जब डॉक्टर्स ही हेल्दी नहीं हैं, पेशेंट्स कहाँ से ट्रीट करेंगे वो? How will we treat patients? We do not have the mental capacity to sit down and write prescriptions of such after such event. Our home was vandalized. Our home was completely broken down in front of our own eyes for protesting for such event. And you're asking us to go back on duty. I really praise the audacity of such people, you know, who have the right to question us, but they do not question themselves. Supreme Court is on vacation for 3 months in the entire year. We do not take vacations, sir. We were very sorry to say that, but we do not take vacations. We do not have vacations. Even in Durga Puja we sit there. I have sat there. My friends have sat there in Durga Puja, sir. We could not go out with our own families. We have done duties on official vacation days. And you do not have the right to point it out to us that please, you know, go back to your own duties. Please take your own duties. Patients' lives are suffering. No one cares about patients' lives more than doctors. And these are not just words, you know. We do care about people. For us, medicine is not just, you know, a job. For us, medicine is a way of life. You know, you can call us addicts. We can live far away from our families, but we cannot stay for long, you know, without practicing medicine. मेरा एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हुआ है 10 दिन पहले, but I cannot stay away from my books. I am so addicted to this thing. This is a way of life. My teachers have expressed the same. So we do not derive any kind of pleasure from not treating patients. Sorry sir, sorry to say that, but we do not derive pleasure from seeing anybody in pain. You have forced our hands so much over the years, and we have lost our faith in the justice system so much that today we are forced to do this. And I really, everyone who is seeing this, if you're a doctor, if you're involved in a medical profession, I call you out to do the same, you know. And there's nothing shameful in it, because they have not indicted enough confidence in the public that the justice system is good enough to do their job on their own. Tell me, ask this question to yourself, you know. आप पूछो खुद से कि अगर आज justice system was, you know, very well enabled, अगर strong होती, if they were capable, would any of us think twice that the justice will not be served? The first scream that we have been doing from the first day, the slogan, we want justice. Why should we want justice? You know, if something wrong has been done, it should be served in the first place. It should be very, you can say, something that should happen on its own. You know, people should not, you know, demand for it. People should not be requesting or begging for it. That's what we are doing. We are begging for justice right now. We have faced many atrocities. If you remember, A person named Dr. Vandana was stabbed to death while she was doing her duty. She was an intern. Uh, a doctor named Dr. Priyanka was raped and then her body was burned to ashes. And I not know, these people still haven't gotten their justice. I'm sorry, but they haven't. You know, and how many more crimes, such crimes, do need to occur before we start saying that, you know, we do not have confidence on you, so we will take it to the end on our own. हम ये खुद अंत देख कर छोड़ेंगे सर. हम नहीं चाहते, हमको भरोसा नहीं है आप पे. हम नहीं जानते कि आप करोगे भी कि नहीं करोगे. 3 days 2 proceedings have been taken place. 2 बार हो चुकी हैं. एंड all the Supreme Court did was talk राउंड एंड राउंड एंड राउंड इन जलेबी. बातें घुमाई हैं आपने सर 3 दिन से. ऑल यू टॉक्ड, आपने जो भी बात करी है, यू हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट सिक्योरिटी डिप्लॉयमेंट ऑफ CISF इन RG Kar. वाई सर, वाई other medical colleges do they don't need this kind of security, or just because that RG Kar had this heinous crime, it's just now that RG Kar will have protection and no one else. You will take 2 months to form a task force and then decide and formulate what kind of plans doctors should have and not have. 2 months, really? Should we now sit back at our homes and wait for those 2 months to happen before we decide that okay, all our female PGTs, female interns, everyone are safe, now we can treat patients? वो बोलते हैं ना, हिपोक्रेसी की सीमा होती है. This is such kind of moment, and I would say I really praise their audacity. सच में बहुत audacious बात है सर कि आपने हमें कॉल आउट किया है. यू आर काइंड ऑफ कॉलिंग अस आउट दैट पेशेंट्स आर सफरिंग, यू शुड गो बैक. व्हाट अबाउट वी हैव बीन सफरिंग बट वी हैव नॉट बीन सेइंग एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. हमारी डिमांड्स बहुत लग्जूरियस नहीं है. वी डू नॉट वांट फॉर बेटर पे स्केल्स, वी नॉट वांट फॉर एनीथिंग लग्जूरियस इन आवर लाइफ्स. वी वांट द बेसिक, and it's our right to ask for the basic. Before, you know, I've been talking to my friends, मेरे दोस्तों से बात हो रही थी, and I was talking to every one of my friends when this protest started. Many of my friends told me that nothing is going to happen, कुछ नहीं होगा. और अगर आप भी थे, and this is to everyone who is watching this video, अगर आप भी थे, if you were among those people जिन्होंने सोचा कि justice शायद नहीं मिलेगा, you were not wrong, honestly. You were not wrong. We people have been suffering long enough. Today, the value of human life has been reduced to so much that no one cares if a human dies or lives. You know, अगर कल को आप, let's say a hypothetical scenario, कल को आपने किसी गाय पे या किसी कुत्ते पे या बिल्ली पे गाड़ी चढ़ा दी, PETA will take you down. PETA will take you down. You know, everyone near you might take you down. अरे एक मासूम से कुत्ते पे आपने गाड़ी कैसे चढ़ा दी, एक मासूम से बिल्ले पे आपने गाड़ी कैसे चढ़ा दी. Yeah, it's wrong, of course. But let's say the same happened to a human. गुस्सा तो है, but justice कहाँ है सर? Human life should matter more. Human life should matter more. Human rights की बात करते हो आप, human life should matter more. आपको ह्यूमन राइट्स तब याद आती हैं जब निर्भया की माँ चिल्ला रही है कि अभी भी हमारे एक कल्प्रिट बाहर है, उनको जस्टिस दो, हैंग दैट पर्सन. हर मदर इज स्टिल क्राइंग, सर द जस्टिस हैज़ नॉट बीन डन इवन टू हर. लेट मी रिमाइंड टू यू, वी आर आस्किंग फॉर जस्टिस फॉर अभया. इवन निर्भया हैजंट गॉटन हर कंप्लीट जस्टिस. व्हाई हैजंट दैट पर्सन गेट बीइंग हैंग्ड? और बात करते हैं सर, where is the justice for NEET? क्या हुआ? हाँ, just because there's no heinous crime like rape, murder, so many lives being destroyed, so many students being put through so much pressure, is it not enough? हाँ, सब जानते थे पेपर लीक हुआ है, everyone knew, सब जानते हैं, no one is so blind. इतना अंधा तो कोई नहीं है, सिर्फ कानून ही हो सकता है इतना अंधा. You know, still there was no justice. Then the Porsche case. A rich guy comes with his fast riding car, crushes 2 people, and there's public outrage. Now everyone forgets it. सब भूल गए हैं. Everyone has forgotten it. It has gone under the rug, like the politicians wanted. एंड वेयर इज जस्टिस फॉर दोज पीपल? ऐसे हो क्या? ऐसे लिख लिया आपने, आपने ऐसे सबमिट कर दिया, मिल गया जस्टिस, खुश है उनके माँ बाप? हाँ, दैट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ अ लाइफ. हाँ, then we come to the all the crimes that have occurred in this one week. Where is justice for all these women? Where is the justice for the coaching center flood? 3 innocent guys died in Delhi. My friend lives there, my closest friend, my best friend lives there. कहाँ सर, उनकी क्या गलती थी? Where is the justice for those people? What have you done to the MCD? What have you done to all those people who were responsible for that flood to occur and the death of those innocent people? You cannot imagine how they died in sewage water. They died in sewage fucking water. Can you imagine? There was no fault of theirs. कोई गलती नहीं थी उनकी. आपने इतना भरोसा ही नहीं दिया है पब्लिक को. आपने तो इतना गिरा दिया है स्टैंडर्ड कि आज ज़िंदगी की कोई कीमत ही नहीं है. लोग 10 लाख दे के जा रहे हैं एक रेप और मर्डर के बाद. शर्म आनी चाहिए आपको बोलने से पहले कि डॉक्टर्स प्लीज़ जॉइन योर ड्यूटी. शर्म आनी चाहिए सर, बिकॉज ह्यूमंस की लाइफ की वैल्यू अब रही ही नहीं. एंड इट्स नो वंस फॉल्ट बट योर्स. जस्टिस सिस्टम, एंड यू आर नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. I really believe in my constitution and I don't feel you are important. You're not just doing your job. Before asking us to do ours, what I would ask you is please do yours. आप जलेबी की तरह बातें मत घुमाओ. जो क्राइम हुआ है उस पर बात करो, कल्पिट्स को परसिक्यूट करो. संदीप घोष इज राइट नाउ अपॉइंटेड इन द स्वास्थ्य भवन. आर यू किडिंग मी? प्रिंसिपल नहीं बना तो क्या स्वास्थ्य भवन में? ही शुड नॉट हैव एनी रोल. ही शुड बी बिहाइंड बार्स. ही शुड बी बिहाइंड बार्स. निर्भया को जस्टिस मिलते 7 साल लग गए. हमारे पास 7 साल नहीं है. वी वोंट वेट फॉर 7 years. दूसरे कंट्री में जस्टिस इतना जल्दी क्यों, हमारे कंट्री में इतना डिलेड क्यों? जस्ट आवाज़ उठ रही है तो जस्टिस हो रहा है. अगर आवाज़ नहीं उठती तो क्या जस्टिस नहीं होता? हाँ, फिर क्या? फिर 25 साल 30 साल हम भी भूल जाते हैं, हम भी बूढ़े हो जाते हैं. शायद तब भी हमें याद भी ना होता शायद कि क्या हुआ था क्या नहीं हुआ था. हम बस एक कहानी बन के रह जाती. बट दैट इज़ नॉट वॉट वी इंटेंड टू डू हियर. पहले डॉक्टर्स को अपनी ड्यूटी ज्वाइन करने से पहले आप ये तो डिसाइड करो कि क्या वो केपेबल भी हैं, क्या उनकी मेंटल कैपेसिटी भी है, क्या वो ये जानते हैं कि अगर कल को उनके साथ कुछ हो गया तो जस्टिस तो मिलेगा. अगर इतने बड़े क्राइम के लिए, इफ़ दिस क्राइम गोज स्कॉट फ्री, एंड दिस इज आई वुड लाइक टू एम्फसाइज दिस, इफ सच अ ह्यूज क्राइम गोज स्कॉट फ्री माय फ्रेंड, देन व्हाट अबाउट दो स्मॉल क्राइम्स? ईव टीजिंग, harassment of girls in public parks, those simple but very very painful touches in buses and public transports. What about that? If such a heinous crime goes unpunished, उनका क्या होगा? ये तो बहुत छोटे क्राइम्स है. दिस माइट गो इवन unpunished and unnoticed. कोई बोलेगा भी नहीं, है ना? कोई बोलेगा भी नहीं. नो गर्ल goes out and talks about eve teasing, and everyone has gone through it. Not a single girl who you see has not faced this. People facing incest in their own homes through people they know, and we all know that these crimes are committed by people whom they know. And if you do not today give people that assurance that justice system is not dead, it is alive, it is there to protect you. If you are not giving people that confidence, then I would say that it's useless, kind of useless. We should all sit down in our homes and look after our lives, because it's better to be at home and be protected than to go out and face injustice, because nothing will happen. कुछ होगा ही नहीं. Log will do whatever the hell they want. And isn't that what kind of everyone is facing right now? That is what I would end with this video with. Share it to your friends if you want that. And whoever kind of asks that doctors are not doing their duty, they should go back to their duties and all, this is what we feel, that health for all, that's all. Health for all. Before asking for help for patients, I would say the doctors need to be healthy too, and the doctors will be healthy when we see justice with our eyes. That's all.